Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator and this is the market update for Thursday, May 26, 2022. At this moment, I think the market should be able to stabilize at this level here. So the whole way coming down here, I think it come to the end right now. But the most important thing here is we need to clear this level of resistance. So far, for the last 5 months, we have not been able to make a new high yet. So today market be able to come back and then they test the previous high here. So it's very important for market to punch through the level and push it up to the upside. If the market be able to put it up to this level here, that's a first sign that the market be able to found a support, and now we headed much higher. So let's see. Tomorrow is the one more day before we head to the long weekend. Let's see the market be able to punch to this level and push it up to this level there. Okay, so far I think that the market is getting more bullish to the upside because right now all of the stock is completely washed out. They either up 70, 80% now. So this is the time for you to looking for the good stock, and they have a potential for you to make a good profit on the rebound to the upside. So the chart you're looking here right now, that's even the SP 500. So the trend is they found support here, they put it back to the upside, they pull back, and then they be able to break through the down trend line here and continue to push it back up. So we need more follow through so that we can confirm the bottom is in and the market is looking for to push it up to the upside. If you look at the NQ, which is the technology stock, they suffer with a lot of inflation and high interest rate. So, but right now they also found a support and now buy back up. They are a little bit far behind because the previous high is still here. So let's see if they're able to get back to that level. The Dow is much a little bit stronger, so they be able to punch through it, but and then they pull back. So tomorrow it's critical for them to continue to put it up to the upside there. The Russell 2000 is still get stuck at this level also. So let's see the market be able to punch through this level by tomorrow or next week, and that will be a confirm of a downtrend reversal to the upside. If you look at the crude oil is still in the uptrend. They go sideways and then they be able to break out today and then push it back up again. So oil is still in high demand right now. If you look at gold, it's still sideways choppy. However, they have a multiple support here, and then if they can hold on about this support line, they still continue to put it up to the upside. But if they fail to this level, then there will be more bear coming in for the gold. So if you look at the dollar, yeah, dollar it continue to heading south. As you can see, we told you dollar it continue to go down. Okay, so that helped the euro try to bow back up to the upside there. Now, if you look at all the big cap stock right now, as you can see, a lot of big cap stock there, but they try to rebound, but momentum is still all in red. So let's see if they can rebound a little bit in the short term, but they are still fall behind. Okay, Amazon is try to turn around there. Microsoft also try to turn around. Google try to put it back up. The momentum they are much weaker compared to Apple or Microsoft. Okay, so Tesla it also tries to support in the short term. They're looking for some kind of rebound also. Okay, so Facebook also found a support, and we're looking for momentum to put it up to the upside. So the Bitcoin it still have a trouble. It goes sideways nowhere. They still hold up at the bottom as long as they don't drop low here. They still find a way to put it up. But right now they are sharply sideways right now. The Ethereum is a little bit weaker for some reason. They pull back now. So we need the momentum to turn back to the positive side in order for the Ethereum to turn around there. So in terms of sector, you can see that a lot of the energy and is still one of the best ones to continue to put it to the upside. communication, it try to bounce back from the bottom here. Okay, so that will have a lot of communication service stock be able to get back to the upside. The technology, it also try to find a way to make a U-turn here. So let's see how strong they can come into the next couple of days. All right. So XLY, which is the wicked one, but they found a support, and today they shoot it back up. This is the first time that we see a strong buyer come back in and put it back up with a lot of retail stock. They are also rebound also. So I'm going to give you three potential ticker symbol that so you can put on your watch list and to see how they are doing. So first one is Macy. So Macy, after they come back down, they have support today, they gap up and then try to put it upside. So in the short term, they have potential to come back and retest the upper bound here. The next one is a Costco. Costco is also retail, wholesale. They get hammered pretty high in beginning of the month. Now they try to come back strong. Okay, so they just clear up a downtrend like here, so they try to put it back up. This stock used to be a strong one. Now they try to come back at least to this area for the short term right now. And next one is DKS, which is no, I'm sorry, DSK. Okay, so this is the DKS, that's the Dick Sporting Goods. So they come back down and then they come down, but they have a very strong reversal here, and today they try to put it back up. So you can see that a lot of buyers step back in and try to put it back up to the upside. So that's another retail stock that they try to rebound from the bottom. Okay, so put in your watch list and to see how they are laid out, and then we will go from there. So right now, so you can see that the overall the market is trying to find a support at this level here. If we can hold on to it, if we can clear this resistance here, and we go step by step, that's okay, and then we will analyze and tell you where the market heading to. So this one here, the last 2 days, they be able to come up with the buy signal to the upside. So let's see they can put it up for tomorrow or next week, and then we can see that the market is confirmed bottom, and then we start at a new move to the upside. Okay, so I think that's all I have for you today. So the long weekend coming up, and just enjoy your long holiday weekend, and then we will see you next week, and take care everyone.